Joining data is easy with Magic ETL, Domo's drag-and-drop ETL tool. In this video, we'll demonstrate the 4 types of joins available. To do so, we have a pair of datasets we'll be working with, English titles and Spanish titles. Both have a column titled Page ID that we'll be joining on. You'll notice that the first dataset contains IDs numbered 1 through 10, and the second dataset includes IDs numbered 6 through 15. If we drag these into the canvas and connect them to a join tile, we can take a look at the joins that are available: inner, left outer, right outer, and full outer. If you're familiar with SQL, you should recognize these. First, let's say we only want to see pages translated in both English and Spanish. We can do this by using an inner join. An inner join will only include matching rows found in both datasets. In this case, it will include rows where page ID is 6 through 10 because these IDs match in both datasets. If we click Run Preview, as expected, we'll see those rows. Next, we want to see all English pages and which ones have been translated to Spanish. To do this, we'll use a left join. A left join will include all the rows from the left table and any matching rows found on the right table. In this case, the left table is English titles, so our output will have all the rows from the English titles table and the 5 matching rows from the Spanish titles. Again, if we click Run Preview, we can see what that looks like. A right join is just like a left join, but we're joining new data to the table on the right. So if we wanted to see all our Spanish titles and which ones have been translated to English, we could use a right join. This will return all the data from the Spanish titles table and then the matching data from the English titles. If we want to see all rows from both tables, we'll use a full outer join. This will join all rows regardless of a match, meaning we will have 15 rows altogether. Let's run a preview, and we can see that we have all of the data from both tables. Wherever we do have a match in the Page ID column, we have both English and Spanish titles. Knowing the different types of joins will allow you to properly structure your data to answer your business questions in Domo.